Hello and welcome to the UT3 Week 2 tutorial and review. This tutorial will cover setting up a basic toggleable light. To start, we'll need a toggleable light and a trigger to turn the light on and off. We're going to start with the trigger, so right-click on any surface, add actor, add trigger. Out of personal preference, I reduce its draw scale so it's not so large, so press F4, under Display, Draw Scale, 0.5. Now I've already set up a little demo area for all of Week 2's tutorials, and this will be our little mock light switch. So move the trigger over here, move it up a little bit, and now it's in front of our light switch. So now we need our toggleable light, which is under Generic Browser, Actor Classes, Light, Point Light Toggleable. Close the generic browser, right-click to add Point Light, drag it over in front of our light, drag it up, reduce its draw scale. Alright. One thing that you might want to do is, under Light Components, be light enabled, you might want to turn that off so that the light will automatically be off, and when you click the trigger, it will turn the light on. Alright, so now we need to link the trigger to our toggleable light. Go to Kismet. This is the main window for Kismet, and this is the top level folder. So we want to create a subfolder underneath this. So right-click in the gray area, create new sequence, light toggle 001. I give it that number sequence because you never know when you need more than one. Alright, so navigate to that subfolder right here. Click on your trigger, click back into Kismet, right-click, new event using trigger, used. Click on your light, click back into Kismet, right-click, new object variable using point light toggleable 5. Now we need to add in a toggle action. So right-click, new action, toggle, toggleable. Alright, so now we need to hook the trigger into the toggle so we can toggle our light on and off. So from out, connect it to the toggle, and toggle target to our point light. And now, build. Note that toggle lights take a little bit longer than static lights to build. Alright, play from here. And now our light will toggle on and off. Oh! Go back to Kismet. I neglected to mention something. On our trigger, when you import a trigger into Kismet, it will automatically have a max trigger count of 1. You need to set that to 0 to have a continuous trigger. We'll just pretend I did that on purpose for demonstration purposes. Alright, let's play it again. And now our light turns on and off. You may notice that when it's on, it looks just fine, but when it's off, there's still eccentricity on the material. So there is one thing that you can do to add to the realism a little bit. Take your point light and duplicate it, place it just below the light, change its brightness level to point 1 and enable it with Be Enabled. Close that. Select your light, go into Kismet, navigate to your subfolder for your toggle light, add it, and plug it into the target for the toggle. Rebuild your lights. And play from here. And now there is a dim light instead of it just being completely dark. So, when one light turns on, the other one will turn off. Alright, that ends part 1 of week 2 review. Thanks for watching.